Hello. Welcome to our channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH, and I'm a Twitter earnings tool. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So, my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us. So in the morning, when I first looked at the chart, to be honest, I was confused what to say and what is going on in the market. Because a few days ago, remember, 4,000 was giving us a tough time. And right now, 4,400 is the new level, okay, playing with her emotions and trading abilities. We have discussed plenty of times. I have shown you the chart, also daily chart. Okay, why 4,400 is important? Because if market crosses 4,400 on the higher time frame, then the structure of gold changes completely. As we all know, gold was under pressure for the last couple of months, but for gold to be bullish again, it needs to cross 4,400, and that's why the market is struggling. And to be honest, okay, I was a little bit not completely clueless in the morning when I first looked at the chart of gold like this. Because if we zoom out, the chart looks something like this. So personally, I feel that on the 15-minute chart of gold or on the lower time frame, the trading opportunities are not very favorable for traders. So one request, if you are struggling with gold, uh, recently, or if your trades are not going that well, then please try to trade on the higher time frame, because the lower time frames are not very reliable right now. So for this video, we will be discussing about the trading opportunities on the hourly time frame. So let me show you. Now see, this is the hourly time frame of gold, and now the picture is more clear to us that right now gold is trading in a range. Gold is trying to recover, there is no doubt about it. But once we switch to the hourly time frame, we can clearly see that at this moment, okay, gold is trading in a range right now. And what is the range of gold? 4450 at the top, and then we have 4300 at the bottom. Or to be precise, okay, gold is sideways right now. You can see this is the range, and if gold starts coming down like this, then 4300 is the next support. Or in simple word, this is the resistance and this is the support of gold right now. So what is the trend of gold right now? Gold is sideways. Okay. As long as gold is trading below 4450, okay, gold is sideways for us. Now, where are the trading opportunities then? Right now, okay, we can also see one more thing clearly, that gold is trading in a range here, not range, channel here. You can see this line at the top, and we also have a line at the bottom. And right now, at the time of recording the video, gold is trading, okay, or gold is standing at the bottom trend line. So usually in a situation like this, try to understand, okay, in a situation like this, people usually take a sell position. But we should also not forget that the overall trend of gold right now is a little bit on the bullish and mildly bullish. And the market sentiment is also supporting bullishness here. So as a result, taking a sell position directly can be very risky. That's why I wrote on the group in the morning that instead of taking a sell position directly here, what we can do is we can look for a sell, okay, when the market will be going up again, because there's a good chance that around 4400, or if you draw a line like this, okay, there's a high chance that market will face resistance, means the previous support will be working as resistance. So if market faces resistance around this trend line, we can look for a sell position. Right now, I'm discussing about gold at the in the Asian session. In case market fell sharply, obviously market is full of surprises, isn't it? Nobody can predict the market. So, for example, after 2-3 hours, if there's a big red candle, then obviously you can look for a sell position. But at the time of recording the video, जब मैं video record कर रहा हूँ, okay, यहाँ पे अभी इतना volume नहीं है, so there's a possibility that market may face resistance around a trend line. If it does, then we can look for a sell position around 4400 or 4410. And when the market will be coming down, where is the next support? The next support is around 4350 and then 4300. 4300 is far away. So personally, I feel that around 4350, there is a possibility of a liquidity grab. Okay, yesterday also we made some profit, good money because of the liquidity grab. It has become very common. So after some liquidity grab, okay, around 4350, we can look for a buy position. So this is our opportunity number one, and this is our opportunity number two. Here we can look for a sell position. Here we can look for a buy position on the chart of gold. And if gold goes up from here, then you can see we have a channel. And usually in a channel, what do? We take a sell position, isn't it? But here, my dear friend, this is gold. Okay, we can already see market has tested the channel trend line. How many times? 4 times. So there's a high chance that market, okay, will be going for a breakout today or tomorrow. Because a level has become too common. Okay, and as we all know, when a level becomes too common, liquidity builds up. Okay, and usually market goes for a breakout or SL hunting here. So here, as you can already see, the trend line has been tested 4 times. The resistance has been tested 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's a high chance that the market will go for a breakout today or tomorrow. So what do we do here? Okay, personally, I have no plans to sell right now at the top. I will be looking for a breakout. So if market consolidates for 2 to 3 hours around this area, then there's a high chance that market will go for a good breakout here. So if market breaks 4,440, 4440 or 45 level, you can look for a buy position. Just make sure that there was a consolidation before the breakout. मतलब breakout से पहले देख लीजिए 2-3 घंटे की consolidation है कि नहीं, क्योंकि setup यहाँ पे सही है. Market has tested the channel 4 times. The resistance has been tested 4 times. So, okay, high chance that market will try to go for a breakout. Let's wait and watch. As we all know, okay, anything may go wrong in trading, isn't it? That's why risk management is the most important thing. So if you go for a buy also, do not forget that this is market. Okay, so follow proper risk management as well. Anyways, these are the trading opportunities I see on the chart right now. First, at this moment, gold is trading in a range, but yes, there is a high chance that market will try to go up. If it does, we can look for a buy breakout, but consolidation plays a very important role. Without consolidation, there's always a fear of a false breakout. So look at the consolidation. And if market drops, here we can look for a buy position. Here we can look for a buy position. And here we can look for a sell position if the same trend line acts as resistance. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.